Once your bot is connected to Wi-Fi, you can set up a cleaning schedule. Open the bObsweep app and go to the control page. Make sure Bob is online and there are no active trouble messages at the top of the page. Click Schedule. Tap Time to select the times when you like Bob to clean. Schedule a time that is at least 5 minutes in the future. On Android devices, move the clock hand to select the hour. Once released, select the minutes. Then click AM or PM. On iOS devices, select the hours, minutes, AM or PM. When done, tap back to return to the main control page. Your schedule has now been saved and Bob will clean at the appointed times. Note that if you delete your bot from the app, all cleaning schedules will be deleted as well.